In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio's CMS. Whether you're new to Wix or simply looking to understand how to utilize their content management system more effectively, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you're equipped to manage your content seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, begin by navigating to the left side of your Wix Studio interface. This is where you'll find various tools and options that Wix offers to enhance your site. The section you're looking for is labeled as CMS. Once you see it, click on it to open up the world of content management options available to you. Now, within the CMS panel, look for an option that says Add to Site. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating the content management system directly into your website. From here, it's a straightforward process that makes adding structured content to your site as simple as possible. Once you've clicked on Add to Site, your next step is to choose how you'd like to organize your content. The most efficient way to get started is by clicking on Add a Preset. Now, while you do have the flexibility to create a custom setup that is entirely your own, in this video, we'll be focusing on using a preset template. This method is aimed at getting your CMS set up quickly and efficiently, using Wix's predefined structures. These are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making the entire process much more seamless. Once you've clicked on Add a Preset, you'll be presented with a list of available presets. The great thing about this feature is that it offers a variety of options to suit different types of content management needs. Browse through these presets and select one that you feel best aligns with your website's goals. Just click on the preset you want to use, and Wix Studio will take care of the rest. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully added a CMS to your Wix site. With your CMS in place, you now have a structured way to manage and update your site's content, making ongoing maintenance easier. This feature not only optimizes how content is organized on your site, but also enhances your ability to deliver dynamic, engaging experiences for your visitors. With these steps, you're now well on your way to mastering Wix Studio's CMS. Remember that while presets are a fantastic way to get started, exploring the platform's customization options can further tailor the system to meet your specific needs. Enjoy creating and managing your content with ease. Thank you for tuning in, and happy developing.